On the 3rd of June 2013, Nikken launched the PiMag Waterfall filter after 2 years of development. This portable system operates without plumbing or electricity, working uniquely in 4 stages. PiMag water boasts a pH range of 8.5 to 9.5 with added minerals, beneficial for health by reducing acidity. Notably, its reduced oxidation reduction potential helps combat cellular damage. The absence of electricity in the PiMag waterfall filter preserves water molecular integrity. Nikken promotes a healthy, hydrated lifestyle through the PiMag waterfall filter. Interested individuals can obtain the filter at https://www.nikenix.com/pimag-waterfall.html. Click the link in the description to find out more.